Hi guys, welcome back to the Ultimate App Maker. In this video here I want to talk about installing Google Maps and how to do the API key for Google Maps as well. So I've got this app here, it's already created for Android, and I've got the Google Maps set up. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just go and show you here right now. So when you get the location, this is how it shows up. Okay, you can zoom in, we can go right to the location there. So you can set up multiple maps and multiple locations here. Just depends on what you need it for. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so if you go to the App Builder here, you're going to go into your app and you're going to go Edit Pages. Okay, so you can see here, this is that main menu, and then I've got the location set up already. Okay, so you can either add a new page by clicking this plus sign, or we can actually go to the map page I've already set up and go from there. What I'll do is I'll just go for this plus sign, click this plus sign here, and at the top we type in map. Okay, select map and hit next. Alright, we can call this map 1, sure, it doesn't matter what we call it. Alright, we're going to title this map location. And we got the option of doing a map or a satellite image. Satellite image, if you look on Google Maps, it actually does the actual building, what it looked like, versus a map that kind of looks like this. So again, more realistic look for satellite. I'm going to go for regular one. Makes it look simple, everyone recognizes it. Okay, and then type in the location. So here we can add the name of the map. So this is going to be the name of the restaurant. Description, this is going to show up when you click on the thing. This is in a location called Yorkville, Toronto. Okay, we got the option of zooming in. I do usually about 125. It zooms in a little bit more. Okay, and then from here, really simple, just click on that map icon and you can type in a location. See if we can type in a city or a location. Okay, I thought we could type in a business. Unfortunately not, but that's okay. Let's go to the website here really quickly. Actually, let's look on Google. Okay, here's their website here, or the address. So grab that address. We'll type it in here. Hit search. Okay. Zoom in a couple times. That doesn't matter because what we'll do is it matters here. So type in your zoom here. Might actually zoom in a bit more, 135. I mean, a bit closer won't hurt, but there we go. That's how you set up the map. Really simple, easy to do. Okay, we'll hit save. And unfortunately, just because of the way that the previewer shows up, it doesn't look like it on the screen. But if you've already downloaded the previewer app, which I have on my phone, you'll see that it works. Okay, we'll hit done. Okay, and then we can link it here to the menu by going. If I go to tab 4, I would just link the menu there to that. I already have the map called our location, so I'm not going to do that. Well, I'll just show you guys actually. I'll link it up. They're both the same. Okay, so the menu is here created, and I've got our location. All right, I'm just going to change this to map 1, and that's it. Hit save, and then done. So now that map location is going to be on that menu. All right, now what we need to do, we'll hit done, and we need to actually get an API key. So because we're using Android devices, we need to get an API key for Google Maps. When you go to publish it, it's going to tell you you need to get the API key. I'm going to show you how to do that. So what we'll do is we'll go to application settings. This is where we can implement our API key for Google Maps. Okay, we'll click down here to platform specific options. And we need the API key right here. I already have it installed, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to right click this API console here, this link, Google APIs console. Right click on that. If you don't have one set up yet, it's simply just logging into your Google account and joining the program. Okay, sign up for free. Not here like this. This is going to be for this credit here, but we're using a free platform, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to create this API key is we want to go to Create Project at the top. We'll click that. We're going to name it the app here. Okay, so this is for Blue Ristorante. Okay, let's hit Create. And it just takes a quick second to start loading it and creating the project for us. So we'll just give that a couple seconds. Okay, you can see it's still loading here at the top, giving that little circular orange. So a couple more seconds here and it should be good to go. Okay, perfect. So here we are. First thing we need to do is we need to go create Google Maps Android API. Okay, you can see we're in that Blue Ristorante section. Okay, so we're going to create the Google Map Android API here. Okay, and we go enable. Perfect. So right now it says this API is enabled, but you can't use it in your project until you create credentials. Okay, so we need to go to credentials, and it's going to take us here. So what kind of credentials do you need? We need credentials for this one here. If we had multiple credentials, or APIs, we're going to do them here. But for this one, we're just going to use this one. What credentials do I need? Okay, and we need to basically just restrict the key. So click on restrict key here. I think this might have been the wrong section. No, this is right. Okay, so here at the bottom, we want to select Android apps. Okay, we're going to restrict it to just Android apps because that's what we're making it for. And then we're going to click on this add package name and fingerprint. Okay, so here's where we're going to type in our package name. So for my app, I've already loaded it up. I've already created it. So I'm going to grab this package name from my Google developer account. Okay, copy it all. Go back to this thing here. I'm going to paste this as my package name. Okay, this is my app name on the Play Store, so I'm going to put that in there. Now we need to get the certificate code. So go back to the builder, and we're going to copy this key here. Okay, and you can see I grabbed an extra space, so make sure you delete that space in the end. Might be better if we just actually select it from the front. We don't want to get that extra space in there, it just messes everything up. So now we're going to copy that, go back to Google, and paste this key in here. Okay, if you did have the space, just make sure you delete it here. We're going to add fingerprint name. Actually, that just adds another one. We can close that. And then that's it. Just hit save. And everything's running smoothly here now. We can copy this key here. We've got the API created for this. And we're going to go back to here and we're just going to paste this API key here. Paste it in. And that's everything. So we've created the map for the API key. Now the map should be working on all the platforms.